Number 1, you can take a photo with your iPhone or your Android phone of data, and then you could convert that into Microsoft Excel. To be able to do this, click into the App Store on an iPhone or the Play Store on an Android phone and download an app called Microsoft Office. Once you download the app, you'll have an icon on your phone with the Office logo. Let's click on that. This opens up the Office app, and in the bottom right-hand corner, click on the button that says Actions. Within all of the actions, click on the one that says Image to Table. Next, you could take a photo of a table with data. I'm going to select this sheet of paper and take a photo of it. Next, I can select the data that I want to bring into Microsoft Excel. I'm going to select the first 3 columns, and once I'm all done, click on Confirm. Next, I see a screen that shows me the photo that I took, and I see a table down below showing all of my data digitized. Next, in the bottom left-hand corner, let's click on Open. Check that out. All of my data has been successfully imported into Microsoft Excel. I have my date, impression, and clicks column. This is now in Excel. I could save this Excel sheet, and I could also open it on my desktop.